Hello guys, what's up? This is Marriage Ahmed from Programming with Marriage, and today I will show you how to use strings using string initialized variables. Now there are two types of variables which they are used for. One to store an integer like name is equals to 1. They are storing an integer. But if I write name is equals to marriage, so it is initializing a string. So there are mainly two types of variables that initialize a string or initialize an integer. So we will make a program on how to initialize a string in a variable and initialize a integer or float value, meaning the numerals value in an integer. So first I can write a is equals to 90. So this is an integer, but Python considers it as both string and integer. So first if we want to tell Python that we want to use a string, so we will write it in inverted commas. If I write 90, so Python will know that it is a string, and when I multiply it by 10, so it will tell that. So if I write it here and if I run it, it will tell 900. So this is not what you want. It is upgraded. So first let me change type here. Yes. So if I want to write the condition, so look, it printed 10 times. It printed 10 times in a output form. So first what you need to do is, let's just control X. So first what you need to do is that, so now you know what is the concept of initializing a string in Python, a variable in Python that initializes a string. So now we will make it as a variable that stores. Now I make a variable that will store a an integer. So first we need to write an integer. So we will put, like the Python gives us that if we want to initialize a value as an integer, so it gives us this function called int, this built-in function called int, and put brackets, and inside that write your number. And there is another thing, if I write here float, so Python gives float to write the answers or get the output with a decimal. Now if I write float variable print variable, so you see 100.0, and if I write float instead, so it will tell us that it is a integer. So now if I write here integer, so it will tell only 100. But now we we should follow like write float, because it can give us multiple answers that can be helpful, like making all the answers and something, making a calculator. So float will be more like good. So now I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on so you never miss another update. Bye bye.